guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some unboxings and I have my IPSY Ultimate. This is from the month of March. I'm a little behind, but I'm doing some catch up. Yeah, do you guys like my lipstick? In my Birch box I just opened, they sent these Stila little matte lippies and it's reminding me of the 20 teens. So I've been messing around with them. I'm indifferent. I don't know if I love it, if I hate it, if it's reminiscent. I just can't decide. Leave me a comment, let me know if you like the lip. But anyways, let's get into this IPSY Ultimate and see what's inside. It's been sitting in my room for 2 months. It's May. So, IPSY, do less, glow more. Love her. Just some info. Let's see what's inside. Okay, first things first is the Feel Daily Hemp Facial Cleansing Oil. I have an AHA toner from this brand, Feel, and it's so good. So I'm actually really excited to try this. Their packaging is just cheap plastic, whatever. I do like the shape of it because it works really nice in a vanity. It's like not round and odd shaped, so you can fit it well in your vanity. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like citrus. It's a makeup remover. Love that. Face cleanser. Very good. Ooh, Verso Body Oil Cleanser with salicylic acid. Beautiful bottle. So this is a cleansing body oil. Ooh, what's that smell like? It smells super herbal and fresh. I really like that. They weren't kidding when they said glow in March. Okay, next we have the Cold Plasma Plus Eye Advanced Eye Cream. Vitamin C, ester, omegas 369. And copper peptide. Interesting. It says multitasking powerhouse uses a proprietary liquid crystal delivery system for faster and deeper penetration. Key ingredients for dark circles, puffiness, crow's feet, fine lines, and loss of firmness. So basically, this little guy does everything. I do tend to have like bags under my eyes. You can see when I like look down. And I've been doing like facial exercises. I've only just started them, so I don't really know if it's resulting, but I'm always looking for an eye tightening under eye cream. Ooh, it smells really good. Super thick. Lovely. Can't wait to try that. Classic Tarte Shape Tape. This is in 35N medium. Okay, we all know, we all love this. This is in the Radiant formula. Some people don't really like this. I actually do really like it. It's a little moisturizing. And I'm 38, I need that. I need as much moisture under my eyes as I can get, so that's a goodie. A Volition Dewy Avocado Moisturizer. I feel like I received this a really, really long time ago. I feel like I've tried this product before. Maybe not, the smell is not familiar. Alright, well, I'll give it a go again. 2 more products in here. Let's go. We have the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin. I've seen this at like the discount stores, like Ross. Not Ross. I've seen this at like TJ Maxx, you know, on the beauty shelves. I've never tried it. I didn't really get on the Snail Mucin trend. But I have seen it in those stores for like, I want to say like $6. So, I don't know. I'll try it. Now that it's here, might as well try it, right? Does this actually come from snails? Like, for real? It doesn't really smell like anything. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that snail slime. Snail slime on your face. And last in here is the Fenty Hair, the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair. This I've also seen in TJ Maxx. So, interesting. I always love a hair mask though, so, oh yeah. You put it on, you wait 3 to 5 minutes, look at the instructions. How funny is that? Ew. I've heard people say her products smell really good. This does not smell good, like at all. It has that same like old product smell. You know that like where it turns kind of sweet sour? I do not like the smell of this at all. It smells like basic coconut conditioner, but a little bit sour. Honestly, this IPSY Ultimate was a little disappointing. Usually it's like my favorite box to open, but to be honest, it was kind of meh. These 3 products, I'm excited to try. So I'll update you, hopefully. Let me know if you guys want to see like a monthly favorites. I know that's kind of old school, but I've been opening so many boxes and like going through so many products and just trying things, and I do get rid of the things I don't like. So let me know if you want to see like my most disliked products or my most favorite products. I would love to film that for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That is what was in my IPSY Ultimate for March. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.